So this is the way you get your solar panels. If you order a pallet's worth, this is 29, all packed up in a single pallet. Just got them home today. But this, I think, weighs about 1,400 pounds. So if you go to pick one of these up, make sure that you got a trailer and vehicle that can carry it. In my case, it's a heavier duty minivan and single axle trailer. This one's rated for about 2,200, so it worked fine. Anyways, these are Trina 245 watt panels, and they should be good to go. Gonna be installing them up on the rack as soon as I get it built. So pop the top on my pallet of solar panels. Here's what they look like when they ship. They pack them with the backside out. Open this side. You can see this one's been turned around, so it's backside out as well to prevent damage. Other than that, they're all just horizontally packed in there. 29 of them in here, and should be ready to go. What the panels look like out of the box. They put a nice little wire tie clip thing up here to hold the wires in for you in place. These ones have a optimizer, maximizer, whatever you want to call it, a Tigo unit on it. So these are a little bit bigger than normal plates, but it looks like they do have good weatherproof housing exits on them and decent wire and such. Yeah.